Exploring the heart of Europe. Welcome to the gateway of Europe, where the past seamlessly intertwines with the present, and where centuries-old traditions coexist with modern innovation. Germany, situated in the heart of Europe, is a country of remarkable diversity and contrast, offering a tapestry of experiences that cater to every traveler's desires. As we embark on our journey through Germany, we are greeted by a land rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. From the medieval castles of the Rhine Valley to the vibrant streets of Berlin, each corner of this enchanting country tells a story of its own, beckoning us to delve deeper into its fascinating past and promising us unforgettable adventures along the way. Germany's capital city, Berlin, stands as a testament to the country's resilience and reinvention. Once divided by the infamous Berlin Wall, the city has emerged as a vibrant metropolis that embraces its tumultuous history while looking towards the future. From iconic landmarks like the Brandenburg Gate and the Reichstag building to the trendy neighborhoods of Kreuzberg and Prenzlauer Berg, Berlin is a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and experiences that captivates visitors from around the globe. But Germany's allure extends far beyond its capital city. From the fairy tale landscapes of Bavaria to the picturesque vineyards of the Moselle Valley, every region of the country offers its own unique charm and beauty. Whether you're exploring the medieval towns of the Romantic Road, hiking in the Black Forest, or cruising along the Rhine River, Germany's diverse landscapes provide endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. As we journey through Germany, we'll delve into its rich cultural heritage, sampling traditional foods, experiencing local festivals, and immersing ourselves in the warmth and hospitality of its people. From the lively beer gardens of Munich to the charming Christmas markets of Nuremberg, Germany's cultural traditions are as vibrant and varied as its landscapes. Join us as we embark on this journey of discovery through the heart of Europe. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply seeking new experiences, Germany promises to enchant, inspire, and captivate you at every turn. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore the wonders of Germany, where history comes alive and adventure awaits. First of all, I would like to give some advice for our viewers who want to visit Germany. 1. Plan your trip in advance. There are many places to visit and activities to do in Germany. Before your trip, decide which regions you want to visit and create a travel itinerary. This will help you make the most of your time. 2. Check the weather. Germany has different climates. Monitor the weather forecast to choose appropriate clothing. Especially if you're traveling in winter, be prepared for cold and snowy weather conditions. 3. Use public transportation. Germany has a well-developed public transportation system, making it an excellent option for intercity travel. Trains and buses are often punctual and comfortable. You can reduce your travel costs by purchasing a Germany Rail Pass. 4. Try local cuisine. German cuisine is famous worldwide, and we recommend trying many delicious dishes. Taste traditional German foods like bratwurst, currywurst, schnitzel, and pretzels. Also, explore Germany's beer culture by trying local beers at a beer garden. 5. Enjoy cultural experiences. Germany has a rich cultural heritage, with many museums, galleries, and historical sites to explore. Discover significant places like the Pergamon Museum in Berlin, the Alte Pinakothek in Munich, and the Reichsparteitagsgelände, Nazi Party rally grounds, in Nuremberg. 6. Book tickets in advance. Popular tourist attractions may have long lines, so if possible, book your tickets and reservations in advance. Especially for historical and tourist sites in Germany, making early reservations can shorten your wait times. Traveling to Germany can be an exciting experience. By following these tips, you can enjoy your trip and create unforgettable memories. Welcome to our immersive travel experience, where we invite you to join us on a captivating journey through the heart and soul of Germany. As we embark on this adventure, we'll peel back the layers of history, culture, and natural beauty that define this fascinating country. From the bustling streets of Berlin to the tranquil shores of the Rhine River, each step of our exploration will unveil new wonders and insights, offering a deeper understanding of what makes Germany truly special. So sit back, relax, and let the magic of travel transport you to a world of discovery and adventure. Welcome to Discovering Germany, a journey through its rich history, culture, and natural beauty. Two, Berlin, the vibrant capital. Our journey begins in Berlin, the vibrant capital city that seamlessly blends the old with the new. From the iconic Brandenburg Gate to the historic remnants of the Berlin Wall, every corner of this city tells a story of resilience, transformation, and unity. Explore its world-class museums, bustling markets, and thriving art scene, and immerse yourself in the energy of this dynamic metropolis. 3. Bavaria, the land of fairy tales. Next, we venture south to Bavaria, a region renowned for its stunning landscapes, charming towns, and rich cultural heritage. Visit the fairy tale Neuschwanstein Castle, perched majestically atop a hilltop, and wander through the picturesque streets of towns like Rothenburg, Ob der Tauber, and Bamberg. Indulge in Bavarian cuisine, sample local beers, and experience the warmth and hospitality of the Bavarian people. 4. Rhine Valley, a scenic paradise. Our journey then takes us to the romantic Rhine Valley, where lush vineyards, medieval castles, and quaint villages dot the landscape. Cruise along the Rhine River and marvel at the breathtaking vistas of the valley. Explore the charming towns of Rudesheim and Bacharach, and sample the region's renowned wines. Whether by boat, bike, or foot, the Rhine Valley promises unforgettable adventures at every turn. 5. Black Forest, nature's playground. No visit to Germany would be complete without a trip to the enchanting Black Forest. Immerse yourself in a world of dense forests, crystal clear lakes, and cascading waterfalls as you explore this natural paradise. Hike scenic trails, cycle through picturesque landscapes, and indulge in delicious Black Forest cake, a true delight for the senses. 6. Romantic Road, a journey through time. Finally, we travel along the Romantic Road, a historic route that winds its way through medieval towns, fairy tale castles, and scenic countryside. From the charming wine town of Würzburg to the fairy tale village of Füssen, each stop along the way offers a glimpse into Germany's rich cultural heritage and timeless beauty. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through destination. If you enjoyed exploring with us, remember to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your favorite part, and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting travel content. Your support means the world to us as we continue to uncover new destinations and share our adventures with you. Until next time, happy travels.